Today I thought I would do a really quick, just $5 under our kitchen sink organization today. It's in desperate need of it, and so I thought I'd use these little containers that I got from my Dollar Tree haul the other day. The glass jar, I believe, just came from a local thrift store. But the bins and the white baskets and everything were just $1 at the Dollar Tree. The little non-slip liner was actually already at the house when we bought it, so benefit of already having it on hand. So we actually bought our house late last year, and we are just now starting to do some just odds and ends projects around the house as we have the time. And the organizing of the cabinets and cleaning things out haven't really been a huge priority. But I'm glad that I'm able to have some extra time now to kind of go through and clean everything out. And it's also probably because I'm starting my nesting phase a little bit early this time around. My little ones had a ton of fun helping out. They always enjoy cleaning stuff out because you never know what kind of treasures they might find. In this case, it was a couple empty spray bottles. Oliver has always loved playing with my hair. I think it's the cutest thing. One of my favorite things to do with my new sponges when I get in is to actually cut them into fourths. I always try to keep a clean sponge on the sink, and it can be pretty expensive if you're always changing them out. So I found if you use one and cut them up, it lasts obviously 4 times as long. I really like the size of them. They actually fit really nicely in my hand for when we are washing the dishes, and I don't feel as bad throwing them out to replace it with a new one. Another thing to keep on hand too, if you don't have storage space, are just cleaning concentrates. I always keep a handful of these. I have the glass cleaner and the antibacterial one, and they're really handy, so I only have to store a couple smaller little spray bottles and then just keep this. I also like to keep my Norwex rags in a separate place, so I always put them under the sink as well. I actually need to get some fresh ones. These are getting pretty worn. But I love these, and we don't have to buy paper towels or anything when we have these to wipe our surfaces down.